Angela Wolf here. I asked the Fashion Sewing Club members, do you have any questions for me that you'd like answered on It's So Easy? 2 came up that were very popular, especially among the Susans. What fabric do you use for a wrap dress? Well, you have a lot of options. I use a lot of rayon and I use a lot of knits. What's the difference? Well, you can use the same exact pattern as long as it opens and closes. You could use a rayon. If it's something that goes over your head, you're going to need a knit, or you have to put a zipper into the side. Just think of it, you gotta get it over your head. So the wrap dress is very simple to sew, so pick something that the color you like, and a knit is very forgiving, by the way. So that hopefully will help you there, along with all the episodes. The next question was about thread. I do a lot of serging and a lot of cover stitching, a lot of embroidery. And so the question was, how much thread do you get? So do I actually go out and buy 4 spools for the serger and 4 for the cover stitch? Yeah, I do, because I hate going back and forth and having to rethread. It's not that expensive, but I pick base colors. So I might use a beige and use that among 20 different colors. So you don't have to have the exact color. Nobody sees the serging except for you. In fact, if you remember seeing some of my jeans, I serged those with pink. The other question was embroidery thread. Where do you start? Well, I can't answer that one. That's the never ending. There's always another color that comes out, and there's always another one that you're gonna love. So I hope that helps you get started. Thanks again, Fashion Sewing Club members, for such great questions.